Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create a strobe lights effect. Let's get into it. Over here in DaVinci I have a sample footage from musicians, drummers. So let's review it now before the effect. It's only 3 constant lights or 4 constant lights from above and there's no strobe light. Let's make digital one. Go in effects. From here we need to search for flicker and open effects. There it is, flicker addition. Just drop it to our footage. Select your footage and go in the inspector panel. From here we need to choose the effects. Bump up the range and the speed if you want more flickers per second, and a little bit smoothness as well. So let's review it now. This is way better. And can you imagine if we add music to this? It's pretty nice. So let's view it without. It's like boring video. And look how more interesting it is with the flicker. And that's how easy it is to create a strobe light effect in DaVinci. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.